Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce UNIGAS9000 plus UV-DOAS portable emission gas analyzer. The analyzer uses UV differential absorption spectroscopy technology to measure SO2, NO, NO2 and NH3 in the flue, CO2, CO, H2S, CO2 electrochemical sensors can be equipped to measure their concentrations. The most advantage of this analyzer is not affected by water vapor in the flue. High measurement accuracy and very stable, especially suitable for high humidity and low sulfur working conditions. Let us loosen the screw of the pitot tube assembly and insert the tube into the sampling tube. Then tighten the screw again. Connect temperature communication interfaces between the host and the pitot tube by this gray temperature wire. Connect the pitot tube to the host by this pressure flow hose. Connect the positive ends between the host and pitot tube by this orange wire. Connect the negative ends between the host and pitot tube by this blue wire. After preparation, turn on UNIGAS9000 Plus and enter self-test interface. It will self-test and preheating respectively to ensure good performance. Attention! Be sure to wait until the preheating is completed. It will take 10 minutes to preheat. Let me introduce 6 main menus in turn. First is Set menu. You can fill in the date and time accordingly and save them. The analyzer is equipped with a pressure sensor. You can measure it or input data according to your requirement. If you need, turn on printer Bluetooth and app Bluetooth. Fill in location. The second menu is traverse points. You can choose round stack, rectangular stack or other. Now choose round stack. You can set inner diameter, area, casing L, number of rings and holes. The analyzer will calculate the number of sampling points and the distance between the measuring point and the outer of the casing automatically after setting. Now choose rectangular stack. You can set the side of measuring hole A and B, area, casing L, number of holes and points. After setting, the analyzer will calculate the number of sampling points and distance between the measuring point and outer wall of casing tube. The operation of other types of flue is the same as the first two, mainly used for irregularly shaped flue. The third menu is working condition prediction. Includes pressure zeroing, stack temperature measurement, flow rate prediction, and average value query. Enter into pressure zeroing interface when the pressure indicators are stable. Click OK. After zeroing, each data should be 0. Otherwise the calibration process should be repeated. Enter into stack temperature measurement interface. There are 2 modes, measure and input. You can use measure mode, or use input mode to input known temperatures and humidity data. Waiting for indicators are stable. Click return. Enter into flow rate prediction interface. According to traverse points operation, it can calculate the sampling point position. Place the device at the first point. After the data stabilizes, confirm the current value. Then move the device to the next point and repeat until the last one. When all points are finished, click End to enter average value query interface. You can query the average data and print the result. After previous 3 operations, let S enter into the 4th menu, Measure. Before gases measurement, we should check if the airtightness is good. Block the front end of the tube. Start detection. The analyzer will automatically detect the air tightness. If it shows air leakage, please recheck until airtightness is good. Return to Measure, Interface and start gas calibration. Attention! During calibration, the analyzer should be placed in the ambient air. The extraction pump will automatically start and clean the gas circuit with clean air. Please wait for this process at least 5 minutes. After all data are stable, click Zero Calibration. At this time, O2 is about 21%, while the other gas concentrations are 0. Here Zero Calibration is completed. You will notice Zero Blowback button. It means when the analyzer is in the flue. Clean air will be extracted from the back of the analyzer to clean the gas circuit. No need to place in ambient air. The same effect with Zero Calibration. Zero Blowback process will take about 2 minutes. Click Start Measurement. The default unit is milligram per cubic meter. Users can choose ppm by unit. Put the sampling tube into the flue and plug the measuring hole tightly to avoid air enter. When data are stable, start average operation. Click Average. The timer will start counting from 0 and calculate minute data, then save. Click Print to print current data. Click End to choose whether to save the data or continue sampling. Click Yes to end the sampling and save data. Return to the previous measurement interface. Let S do chamber cleaning after measurement. This step is necessary to ensure the long service life of the analyzer. Be sure put the analyzer into the ambient air. And quick clean. This process will clean the entire air path so that exhaust gas can be discharged from the exhaust pipe. The 5th menu is Query. Click up and down to query the files, or enter the file number to quickly locate and search. CUP and PGDN to query other data for a single sampling. Click Print to print the current file. Click File Management to print or export in batches. Click Minute Data to query current minute data. Click Help. You will get operation instruction, self-service troubleshooting and user instruction. Click Monitor. You will check temperature, dew point and moisture in real time. The last menu is Maintain. The initial password is 2007. Engineers have optimally configured the system before leaving the factory. To ensure the accuracy of the data, non-professionals are not allowed to change the maintenance data at will. Let S focus on gas concentration calibration. First, connect vacuum bag to the cylinder gas. Open the airbag valve. Close the flow meter valve. Then open the main valve. And screw the rotor flow meter valve slowly to fill the bag with gas. After the airbag is full, close the main valve and flow meter valve. Tighten the valve and remove. Enter into concentration calibration interface. We take SO2 as an example. Click SO2, place the device in clean ambient air. After the data are stable, click 0 for calibration. After 0 calibration finish, click on multi-point calibration. In SO2 multi-point calibration page, you can calibrate the low concentration, medium concentration and high concentration ranges of SO2. You can click Unit to switch the unit. After setting the standard gas concentration, Pass SO2 into the analyzer. Open the bag knob and connect it to the air inlet of the host. Please pay attention to the numerical changes in concentration at this time. When the concentration becomes stable, confirm it. The analyzer will automatically calculate and modify the magnification. Other gases' concentration calibration are also the same. If you want to know more about UNIGAS9000 plus UV-DOAS portable emission gas analyzer, please read the instruction manual carefully.